This is Jen at Gatorland Toyota, and today I'll be showing you how to operate the moonroof on the 2022 Toyota Corolla XSE. The control for the moonroof will be located in the overhead console, right here. To open, click and hold open for 1 second. To close, click and hold close for 1 second. To stop the moonroof at a preferred location, click, close, or open once. When closing, the moonroof safety feature will stop and go back if there is something in the way of it. These up and down buttons will help you tilt your moonroof up or down as you prefer. And that is all for today. For more videos and information, you can always find us at Gatorland Toyota.